What car brand would you never own and why?
I would never own a Hyundai or Kia product, or basically anything KTM, because they just keep blowing up no matter what you do with them.
What car brand would you never own and why?
Easy. That one's gonna be Hyundai. Not good cars at all. Nothing about Hyundai is good. Kia's another one.
What car brand would you never own and why?
Probably wouldn't ever want to own a Hyundai or Kia product because after 100,000 miles, they just start falling apart.
Hey Seth, what's one car model you would never buy?
Kia.
Hey Rick, what's one car model you would never buy?
Fiat.
Hey Abby, what's one car model you would never buy?
Any Ford car.
Hey Bailey, what's one car model you would never buy?
Probably a PT Cruiser.
Hey Charles, what's one car model you would never buy?
Who made the Yugo?
Derek, what car brand has so many issues it basically pays your rent?
I would say Jeep, Chrysler, anything Stellantis. Runner-up would be Hyundai and Kia, but Jeep for sure, and Chrysler, they have a lot of engine failures, transmission failures, tons of electrical issues, and just oddball other stuff. The newer ones, the older ones weren't too bad, but the last 4 or 5 years have been pretty consistently bad.
Scott, what car brand has so many issues it basically pays your rent at this point?
Car brand would probably be General Motors, especially Diverse and Equinoxes.
John, what car brand has so many issues it basically pays your rent at this point?
Ooh, a lot of GMs and their 4-cylinder, all of their 1.4 turbos. It's just money all day long.
Danny, what car brand has so many issues it basically pays your rent?
I might have to say Chrysler. It's going to be Chrysler, Dodge, all that. It's just electrical issues. They weren't well built. All kinds of odd things. They'll run forever. It's just everything on it's going to break, except for the new ones. They won't run forever. But I might have to say Chrysler in general.
Scott, what car brand has so many issues it basically pays your rent?
I would say Chevy. The Equinox and the Cruise definitely is our two most popular ones we do. Yeah. Between the turbo and the Equinox, we have two of them out in the parking lot right now. We've had for a year. The engine's blown. So, yeah, those are the two.
Hey, Jess.
Oh, shit.
What car shouldn't you buy?
A Volkswagen.
Volkswagen?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they fucking suck.
Hey, Alec.
Yo.
What car shouldn't you buy?
Definitely a Jeep.
Why?
It's a shit.
Hey, Josh.
What?
What car shouldn't you buy?
Volkswagen.
Why?
Because they're crap.
Hey, Jay.
Yes.
What car shouldn't you buy?
Sanyang.
Why?
Because of shit.
A lot of car brands has really dropped in quality, especially this 2025. And in this video, we're going to look at what went wrong, the worst cars that you should never buy, the best cars that you should buy this year, and what you should look out for when you're buying a car.
Guys, this is why you shouldn't buy a BMW. As a garage owner, there's one I'm repairing, there's two I'm repairing, there's three I'm repairing, there's four I'm repairing, five I'm repairing, but this is an E46, so it's a classic, I like it. Six we're repairing, all in one day. If you want to buy a BMW, go ahead, but I think they're the most prone to be in the garage, to be fair. But really, really fun to drive.
But Willie, why are they in the garages?
Because I think in terms of like technology-wise, they're up there. The technology on cars lines up with a lot of sensors and stuff like that, so a lot of sensors do go wrong.
Get a Benz, don't get a Benz. Cause what is this? What is this? Why? Where do I go to fix this? I looked into it. I want to say I looked into it a couple months ago because it was not like this. Like this was not. It was not like this. Like you can't even pull it back. Like I don't understand. And then you gotta keep on doing this just to get it back. Like no. How do I fix this? When I looked into it, it was like $7,000. Who? Having a Benz is just so much maintenance. Like
now you see, regardless of high technology that was used to build these luxury cars, they still have issues. And when these issues comes up, that's so freaking expensive to fix. So we're gonna have to look at the best recommended cars to buy this 2025 and why they are the best options.
Hey Anand, what is the best car for a first-time driver?
Peugeot 107, Citroen C1, Bosch, one of them. Toyota Aygo, they're all the same car, they're literally just a different badge, but it's £20 tax for the year, cheap to maintain, cheap tyres because they're tiny, very good on fuel, and very good on insurance. I think they're literally the lowest insurance group category, so I would highly recommend them cars because they actually are good runners. We never really get them in with engine faults at all, or gearboxes. Yeah, they go through clutches, but first time drivers, yeah. So one of these will definitely do you right. If you're looking for something slightly bigger, maybe like a Toyota Yaris, something around that size. But definitely for a first car, I'd recommend the first three. Peugeot 107, Citroen C1, Toyota Aygo, 100% recommended.
What is the best new car to buy in 2025?
Best new car? Dude, anything Toyota. Like, literally anything Toyota. The Tacomas are good. The Highlanders are good. I mean, dude, anything. If it has a Toyota logo or a Lexus logo on it, it's good. Trust.
What is the best new car to buy in 2025?
Toyota. It's going to be Toyota. It's pretty much always going to be Toyota. Honda's not a far second, but in terms of overall reliability and durability, you can't beat Toyota.
What is the best new car to buy in 2025?
Toyota Camry.
What is the best new car to buy in 2025?
The Camry or a Honda Civic, Honda Accord.
Alrighty, what is the best new car to buy in 2025?
The best new car? Dodge pickup trucks.
Hey Sophie, what's the best first car to own?
Best first car, I would say probably a Civic.
Honda Civic.
Honda Civic. The Honda Civic, just super reliable, good on gas, easy, fun to drive, and great first car.
Why Toyota or Honda? I'm sure you're expecting Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, you name it. Now we're gonna see why these car brands are the best to buy.
Toyota is made the best because Toyota actually, whenever they build something, they build it correctly, they usually never change it. So like the Toyota Tundras, they kept the same engine in them for the longest time because they knew that it wasn't built poorly. And the other thing that makes Toyota the best out of all the other manufacturers is if Toyota does something wrong, they will actually own up to it and fix it. So they used to have frames that would rot out on the older Toyota Tacomas and Tundras. And most car companies would just say, don't worry about it, it's not our fault, this and that, where Toyota actually recalled all of the frames and put a brand new frame in your vehicle for you for free. Or like the new Tundras now with the engines, they found out that they built the engines wrong and they said, we're going to put all brand new engines in it for you. Compared to other car companies, you don't see them actually owning up to their mistakes like Toyota does and fixing their own problems.
A high-end Toyota is a nicer car than an entry-level BMW because a high-end Toyota is filled with things that make you happy. Nice seats, a good sound system. The entry-level BMW is just bragging rights. You should go through life wanting the proverbial high-end Toyota. It's not showing off for others, it's making you happy, rather than just trying to put up your peacock feathers to show off to people.
The perfect first car to get is a Toyota Camry, and here's why. Number one, they are reliable. You can ride a Camry until the wheels literally sometimes fall off. You don't have to worry about oil changes. You can just keep driving. Check engine light on, no worries. Think about it. When was the last time you had a friend that had a car problem? More likely than not, they had a Kia or an Audi or BMW or something like that. It was definitely not a Camry or Toyota in general because those cars are indestructible. Secondly, if they do break down, they are super cheap to fix. Every single mechanic has fixed a Camry at some point. If you have a car that's more luxurious or more niche, chances are you won't be able to get it fixed as easily, or you'll have to take it to a specific mechanic to get it fixed. And lastly, there's a lot of variety. There are Camrys that have a V6, that have a V4, some that even have a hybrid manual automatic transmission. So no matter who you are, you can find one that suits your needs. And if you want something more luxurious, you can always upgrade to an Avalon. But the point is, with a Camry or a Toyota line in general, you're going to be much better off compared to buying something else.
Did you hear that? Whenever Toyota builds something, they build it right. Their cars are meant to last for years without constantly visiting the mechanic shop. So if you want a car that won't constantly give you headache of visiting the mechanic shop every other month, Toyota is a brand to think about. They focus on quality and reliability, making sure that their cars stay on the road for as long as possible without constant trip to the mechanic shop. And now, if you're thinking of buying a car, there are also a few things you need to watch out for.
Waleed, what should customers look out for before going to a garage?
Number one, I would say probably Google reviews nowadays or Trustpilot. Have a look at what people have experienced with the garage first before. Number two, I would say your conversation with the actual business owner or the mechanic that you're dealing with. Like, judge how everything is, how he is. Is he giving you time? Is he explaining things to you in depth so that you understand? He's not just trying to, tell you, yeah, leave it, go off. And number 3, I would say just transparency. As a business owner, I would understand and know that, you know, transparency is what brings you more job, and it makes those people actually refer people to you. Why? I'll tell you why. I had this situation before where I was transparent with a customer, and I actually sent him videos of the jobs that were done and stuff like that. And when he was happy, when the job was done, when he went to refer me to the other person, do you know what the first point of things? He didn't tell him I'm a good mechanic. He didn't tell him we have a good business here. He goes to him, he sends me videos. He will send you videos of when he's doing the job. And we live in a day and age where I know people should have trust, but it's become very difficult. Life's changed, emotions have changed, everything's changed. So we need to work with the time. We need to work with customers. Customers need to work on with us. But yeah,
this is awesome. So if you want to buy a car, do your research well, know who you're buying from, and stick to the best brand, because that's how you make sure your car lasts, run well, and give you the best experience as a car owner without you wasting much money.